Hey, what's up guys, Dragolisco here, your favorite dragon artist, or at least I hope to be it one day. What are we gonna do today? Have you ever imagined that you can create and draw a dragon like this, like the one you see on the screen? That's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to draw a dragon. I'm gonna show you my technique. So, all you have to do is to grab a pen or a pencil or whatever the tool you use for drawing, a piece of paper, or if you are a digital artist, grab your tablet, like this one, you see my tablet, okay? And open Photoshop, and let's do it. Something important before we start, guys, is that at some point in the middle of this video, I'm gonna hide a 100% discount code for a product that I have in my online store. A 100% discount code. So it's basically going to be free. And now, if you're ready, let's do it. Okay guys, so basically we start with the white canvas. And which are the animals that come to your mind when you're thinking about dragon? Probably they're going to be lizards, Komodo dragons, they're actually dragons, and probably also birds. So, with these animals in mind, we are ready to start drawing a dragon. The technique I want to teach you is you start by drawing a circle. This circle is gonna be the back of the head of the dragon. And we split it into 4 sections. Why? This is basically to set the 3-dimensionality. When you're drawing a human head, you use these 4 sections to play around with the perspective, to play around with the rotation of the head, okay? So basically, if I draw this, and let's say that this is a human head, a face, here is where the ears go, the eyes, the nose, see? Something like this, okay, this neck is pretty strong actually, so something like this. So what happens if you want to do the head, you know, in 3/4? Okay, this is looking front, and this is looking 3/4. Okay, and this will be the profile. You see my head? See? So basically, if we want to draw 3/4, what we do is we have to play around with this section, with these 2 lines. But imagining that this is a sphere, so we follow the shape of a sphere. Here we go, to make the human head again. You understand? So that is basically the same technique we're gonna use when drawing a dragon. I'm gonna erase these faces. Imagine that we're gonna do the dragon on its profile. For this, most of the dragons, they have long snout. We're gonna need another circle, let's say here, to set where the snout is gonna go. So recap, this is the back of the head, okay? And this is the snout. Now, where do you place the eye? Probably you're thinking about placing the eye here, like what you will do if it's a human head. But in dragon, get back to the animal references and you will see that the eye is over the mouth, okay? And not behind the mouth. So, throw a line in the middle of the 2 spheres, and here is where the eye is gonna go. Now, draw the eyebrow and complete the shape. This is only the upper jaw. You have the upper jaw and the lower jaw, okay? The lower jaw comes later, see? And here you draw the nostril. For the nostril, don't do this, just a line, okay? Remember that this is a big creature, this is a dragon, and it breathes fire. And for this, we need a big nostril, okay? Something like this. So don't go shy with the nostril. What about the shape of the mouth? What I usually do is to throw this line, which is an S-shaped line, something like this. Why? Because in ancient animals like, for example, dinosaurs, they use this S-shape of the mouth here to hold all the muscles of the lower jaw. Okay, you need all this place to set the muscles, powerful muscles, because since it's a dragon, it has a very powerful bite. And this place over here is to set all the teeth in a buzzsaw shape, okay, to tear off the flesh of the victims. So with this in mind, draw an S-shaped line like this, and now we have the upper jaw. For the lower jaw, okay, we set another circle here. And we have here for the back of the head, here for the nostril, and another one for the back, let's say the back of the lower jaw, which is this part here. And there we go. And now we have a beautiful dragon head. I'm gonna do it smaller. And while I'm working on the dragon, it is time to reveal the great gift that I promised you at the beginning of this video. By using this 100% discount code that you see on the screen, you will be able to download this Dragon screensaver for your phone for free. Yes, I am basically giving away this dragon. Just access the link below to my personal website, add to cart, and insert this code at checkout. Enjoy it. Alright guys, so that will be it for this dragon. I wanted to go this far just to show you what you can achieve if you can stick around to this channel. You have more tutorials like this, how to basically create the shadows and the coloring, so check this out in my channel. But anyway, we have the dragon looking sideways, and now we're gonna make the dragon looking just 3/4, okay? Something like this. If you see my face, not front, not sideways, but 3/4. Eh? So for this we apply the same principle. We draw a sphere the best we can, and then instead of just drawing straight lines and dividing the circle in 4/4, we're gonna do the same, but in this case imagine that this is a sphere, okay? So we're gonna draw the lines like this, so the quarters are now 3-dimensional. See? Now for the nostril, before we set it here, but now, since imagine that you are rotating the head, okay, it goes this way, so we're probably gonna set it here, and the same, following the same perspective, like this, okay? Now, where's the eye? Before we draw a line in the middle of the two spheres, but now the eye has been displaced a little bit back, so it's gonna fall here, okay? So here goes the eye. The nostril, before it was here, but now it has been displaced a little bit back because we are rotating the head, okay? So it will fall somewhere around here. Awesome. We draw the eyebrow like before, here and here. So we draw the nostril, and the same for the mouth. That's right, so this will be it for the upper jaw. For the lower jaw, it's the same, but this time in this situation, maybe you need to draw another sphere here to know where the chin goes. And as before, we create another sphere here, a little bit displaced also, and you complete the lower jaw. Okay, I'm gonna move the dragon a little bit to the left because I'm running out of canvas. There we go. And if you want to draw the teeth, you are free to do it as well. You see? So that's it. What happens with the horns? I usually draw 2 lines to set the perspective of the horns, okay? So basically the horn will go like this and it would end here. Let me draw another line. I don't like this one. So let's go this far. Okay, the same for the other horn. And notice that the horns are ending here. So I basically drew the line to set the limits of the horns, so we don't end up having a horn like this. It is completely out of perspective. So now try to erase the guide spheres so they don't get in the way. And there we go. We have a dragon in 3/4 view. I'm doing it very fast because in the end this is a tutorial, okay? I'm not intending to do a full finished drawing, but that's it. You got it. You got it. See, our beautiful dragon. Very easy and very fast. Then here you can add all the details that you want. Maybe you want frills like this, or let's say more horns, or whatever you want your dragon to have. Okay, so that will be it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial, and remember that I'm doing personal masterclasses on my online store. Okay, you can book your masterclass there. Also remember that I have this dragon art book with advanced techniques so you can create your own dragons digitally and become an expert in digital illustration about dragons, okay, and fantasy illustrations like this one, for example. Anyway guys, thank you very much. I hope this video has been useful and see you in the next video.